Hello guys, my name is Salih Al-Muteri. Today I'm going to show you my home security network that I built in my house. Alright guys, I'm going to show you the topology that I have. I'm going to have ALS switch and 2 router, also my PC server, which I download the Ubuntu server on. The first device that I have, which is the access layer switch over here. There is 3 ports that I connect to the switch. The first port is in the access layer switch. Port F01, which is this cable, is connecting to the camera. F02 is connecting to my PC server, which is this port. And port 3 is connecting to the core number 2, which is the router. I'm going over the topology and I'm going to just make sure all the devices pinging successfully. Alright, I'm just going to choose this thing and hit OK. Alright, here's PuTTY that I'm connecting, and this is core 2. I'm trying to go, and here's my topology. You guys can see on the right side. It's going to be easy. I'm going to ping from core 2 to the camera and then the server. Let's start with the camera, 172.16.0.18, which is good. Now let's ping a server, and it being successful. That's good. Now I will go over and ping my home network. It's successful. That's good. We'll ping 888 to make sure. You get alright. That's good. Now core 1 I can ping everywhere in my device. You can also show IP route. These are all the networks that I'm connecting to. Just give you a brief idea about my topology. Here's VLAN 30, here's VLAN 10, and here's VLAN 20, core 2 and core 1, and this is my home router. Alright, now I'm going to the Ubuntu server. Let me just log in. I'm going to show you the camera, how I connect to, and how the server, Ubuntu server. This is my camera here. Actually, this is the program that I download, the MVR, and here is my camera. As you can see, I can move it up, down. Is the background of my. All right. Here's the topology. It's working. It's working fine, and all these kind of a future for the camera. Here's I think. The schedule. Here's I can set an email, like alarm, sending email. I can set up the SMTP server. It's good. Alright. Here's a file. And there is a lot of future for this camera. I like this camera. You guys can see it again from here. This is mine. The camera, okay, put it here. Alright, now I'm going to just ping from the server to make sure everything will work from the server. Alright, actually I did some ping here. I'm pinging core 1, I'm sorry. Working, that's good. I'll ping 888, good. Let's ping Google. And google.com. There you go. It's successful. Alright guys, this is the test pinging for all devices to make sure all of them work. And thank you so much again for watching my videos.